I had an associate that it was into that same thing. So me being the good friend that I am, introduced one of my brethren to her. That girl owe him a Movado watch, you know. I asked him, how the hell? You mean she owe you a watch? She thief your watch? Yeah, well, all he tell me, she into that. I know he being facetious, he making joke. Because no way he sent it to wear his wrist with a watch.
With a Movado.
And she suck off the watch, she hoover.
So what as a man supposed to go there now to do?
Elasticity. He said the beat was good.
If you're a girl you're accustomed to...
I don't think it's so much in this video there.
But there is, see, a man working out.
We gotta get a sound effect, you know.
A man can't change, man. I see the man do so. So what the target? And go on in the next.
What you watching?
It's a pop-up, it's some pop-up.
Pop-up? And you see all of that while it popping up?
We don't pay for Netflix, right? I go on one of them bootleg websites. Anything you click on them bootleg website, there's carry to porn or some kind of weird game. I'm trying to get it to go full screen. I click on it. Hot girl in your area, of course. And then I just started to see... and the girl is making noise and thing.